So what? No.
Ethanol and sodium hydroxide, which will lead to the formation of biodiesel. Most processes in some areas, and forms fatty acid methyl esteres, which is nothing but biodiesel.
And I in Kerala Model High School, Rajana Sisila district. So nowadays we know that many drainage issues are happening and many blockages are happening. To prevent that, many workers who enter into manholes are coming out with many accidents and they suffer from health issues by breathing some foul odor. To prevent that, I have made this project that is drainage cleaning system. So this is an imaginary drainage where the waste water flow with many solid waste materials. So the solid waste materials are the reason for the blockages of drainage. So I have made a belt with several buckets. So when this belt rotates, these buckets carry out these waste materials from the water from under itself, and these waste materials are transferred to one platform, and from this is transferred to another one conveyor belt, where this waste materials are transferred from one region to another, higher region to lower. So this is easier to transport the waste materials at lower region. So these waste materials are collected at one place and sent to segregation unit. The segregation unit has the main process to separate the waste materials into two types, that is biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste materials. So these waste materials are biodegradable waste materials are like vegetable peels are used as manure, and remaining non-biodegradable waste materials are further sent to plastic recycling unit, where plastic is the main non-biodegradable waste. So it is
My name is Sai Sahasra. My name is Manha. We are studying in 6th standard. We are from Sri Saraswati Corona High School. Now we are trying to understand what gas are, and hence our project is decoding gas. A gas is a tested wheel with teeth on it. In order for a machine to work, we need at least two gears connected to each other. As you can see, the bigger gear is rotating the smaller gear, which is connected to a shaft, which is rotating the wheels of a car. When two or more gears connected to each other, that is called as a gear train. The gear which we are moving is called as a driver gear, and the gear which is automatically moving by the driver gear is called as a driven gear. Sometimes there are many gears between the driver and the driven gear. They are known as idlers. The number of rotations of the driver gear and the number of rotations of the driven gear, they are known as gear ratio. For example, the driver gear is 24 and the driven gear is 48. The gear ratio will be 2:1. This means when the driver gear will move 2 times.
Watchman, my dear, gate 1 watchman immediate గా ఆ వెహికల్ లోపలికి పంపండి. సారీ ఒకసారి గేట్ 1 వాచ్మెన్ ఒకసారి సజెస్ట్ చేయండి. We are welcome to our RDD Satyanarayana Reddy sir. Please welcome sir.